Hello everyone, I am Bobita. Welcome back to my channel Become Excellent in English. Today in this video, I am going to tell you about how to learn English vocabulary fast and easily. So you must watch this video till the end because in this video, I will completely and easily explain on it. So without further delay, let's begin the video. Firstly, I would tell you there are few tricks which will really help you to improve and learn English vocabulary fast and easily. I will give you those tips you can improve and learn English vocabulary fast and easily and very soon by using those tips, those tricks. Okay, but you should know what are those tips. Those tips are really helpful for us. Yes, of course, those tips are really helpful for you all. If you are going to improve English vocabulary, so this video is for you, and this video is really helpful for you all. If you will watch this video till the end, so you can get a lots of ideas, tricks, information from this video, how to learn English vocabulary fast and easily, means in easy way. Okay, I know you are here to learn and understand English vocabulary fast and easily, but guys, let me one thing. Why English vocabulary is important for everyone? Because if you don't have any English vocabulary, so you cannot frame the sentences, you cannot make the sentences in English. Vocabulary plays most important role in English speaking. If we don't have English vocabulary, so we can't frame sentences in English, as well as we can't speak English. So that's why you need to learn and understand a lots of English vocabularies. English vocabularies could be simple and could be advanced. It's up to you how do you learn and how do you want to learn. So it's up to you. You can learn advanced English vocabulary as well as simple or normal English vocabularies. It's up to you. So let's see what are those tips, guys. If you are going to speak English, so if you don't know what is remember means याद करना. So what will you say? Remember means याद करना. So you can use recall instead of remember. Recall means be याद करना, remember means be याद करना. So recall, remember. So there are many words related to remember, so you can use any one of them. It's up to you. If you are going to speak English, if you don't know what read means, so read means पढ़ना. As you know, you can hear, you can use recite instead of read. Recite means पढ़ना. And you can use scan instead of read. Means you have a lots of words, so you can use any one of them while speaking English. It's up to you. I have told about first trick, you can say tip, but that was the trick. Now I am going to tell you about second trick. Okay, so second trick is, if you don't know how to separate English words, आप कोई भी एक लॉन्ग वर्ड ले लीजिए, अगर आपको उस वर्ड के बारे में समझ में नहीं आ रहा, उस वर्ड की मीनिंग समझ में नहीं आ रही है, तो आप उस वर्ड को ना दो पार्ट में बांटिए उसको. अगर वो बड़ा है, ठीक, तो दो पार्ट में बांटेंगे, तो उसको एक पार्ट को अलग रखिए, एक पार्ट को अलग रखिए, दोनों का मतलब निकालिए कि इसका मतलब क्या है, फिर इसका मतलब क्या है. ये भी सभी लोग इस ट्रिक को यूज करते हैं, मैं भी इस ट्रिक को यूज करती हूँ. तो दिस ट्रिक विल ऑल्सो हेल्प यू टू लर्न एंड अंडरस्टैंड इंग्लिश vocabulary. Okay, if you are going to speak, so if you have a difficult word, so you don't know what that means, उस वर्ड को सेपरेट करना है, जो बड़ा है अलग, सेपरेट मीन्स अलग. तो पहले वर्ड का मतलब निकालिए, फिर दूसरे वर्ड का मतलब निकालिए, ऑटोमेटिक आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. तो आप ऐसे भी आसानी से यूज कर सकते हैं. बट गाइज, this is very easy trick, and this trick will really help you to learn and understand vocabulary fast and easily, because everyone does this. I also do. I told you about two tricks. Those tricks will really help you to learn and understand vocabulary fast and easily. Those tricks are really very significant for you all. That's why you should use those tricks which I told about. Okay, so now I am going to tell you about the third trick. Third trick is, if you are going to speak English, so if you don't have any English word, so what will you do, guys? I am going to tell you that tip which will really help you to learn English vocabulary. Though that tip is, guys, you can learn and understand vocabulary from your environment. Yes, there are a lots of things, non-living things and living things in your environment. If you don't know what it means, so you should try again and again what it means and what that means. You try to learn and improve English vocabulary daily, every day, so you will be automatically capable, as well as you will be automatically capable and able to learn vocabulary fast and easily. After that, you will be automatically able to frame the sentences or make the sentences in English. Okay, so after that you will be automatically capable to speak English very well or good. But you have to do, you will have to work on these tricks. These tricks are very wonderful for you all, because why am I emphasizing on these tricks? Because everyone works on these tricks and I also work on these tricks. Okay, but guys, if you are beginner, so if you are going to speak English, you should learn and improve normal vocabulary, because normal vocabulary will really help you if you are beginner. You should analyze every English vocabulary. जो vocabulary होती है वो समझ लीजिए कि इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग की बैकबोन होती है. अगर आपको इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग करनी है, अगर आपको इंग्लिश में परफेक्ट बनना है, तो आपको इंग्लिश की vocabulary जरूर आनी चाहिए, मीन्स वर्ड मीनिंग जरूर आनी चाहिए. सो इसलिए मैं हमेशा एम्फेसाइज करती हूँ, रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ, मीन्स रिकमेंड करती हूँ, सजेस्ट करती हूँ कि आप नॉर्मल याद करें या फिर एडवांस करें. आप याद करने के साथ साथ उसको अंडरस्टैंड करें, तभी आप कैपेबल होंगे. सिर्फ बोलने से कुछ नहीं होता है, अंडरस्टैंड करना भी जरूरी होता है. आप कुछ भी बोल दिए, लेकिन अगर आप उसका मतलब नहीं जानेंगे तो क्या उसका मतलब है? कुछ मतलब नहीं है. तो आप उसका मतलब भी जानिए कि मैंने क्या बोला, इसका क्या मतलब है. जैसे टेल, टेल मीन्स क्या होता है? आप जैसे किसी को कहती हैं कि आई विल टेल यू, ओके, मैं आपको बताऊंगा या फिर बताऊंगी, या फिर आप कह रहे हैं कि आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू, मैं आपको बताने जा रही हूँ या फिर जा रहा हूँ या फिर मैं बताने वाली हूँ. तो टेल के साथ आप स्पीक भी कहिए, टेल के साथ आप से भी कहिए. तो सारे वर्ड हैं, बहुत सभी वर्ड हैं, आप कोई भी यूज कर सकते हैं, लेकिन आना चाहिए आपको. तो समझ लीजिए कि वोकैबुलरी जो है वो बैकबोन होती है इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग की. अगर आप इंग्लिश वोकैबुलरी आपके पास ज़्यादा नहीं है, कलेक्शन नहीं है ज़्यादा, तो समझ लीजिए कि आप इंग्लिश वोकैबुलरी, तब आप इंग्लिश अच्छे से बोल नहीं पाएंगे. You will get stuck while speaking English if you don't have English, if you don't have collections of vocabularies. Okay, this is my recommend and suggestion for you all. So it's up to you, how do you want to learn and which type of vocabulary you want to learn. Guys, I hope you have understood about how to learn English vocabulary. So you don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video, and you don't forget to do comment me what have you learned from this video. Thanks for watching.